give you an experience that we just went through. I came over here to my daughter's house to walk the dog, and what happened? The water all over the place, the dog standing in water. They dried the house up, they found mold, they took care of the mold, they did everything. They did a nice job. And then the big part was having the house restored back so that we could live in it again.
And there was more damage that we realized. We were shocked because we had never been through this before.
A company called Stemar Corporation. They came down here and they told us what they would do. They told us they would fix our house and it would be as good as new or better. And you know what? They came through for us. They just did a fantastic job, and we're so happy that we did it. Now we've got our house redone. It's just like brand new, and we're really happy.
Everybody that worked here, they were so awesome. They worked hard. Not only that, they let us know step by step where they're at, what they're doing. Any questions we had, they stopped and talked to us. And sometimes they talked to us while they were working because they worked really hard. So we were really appreciative.